If you're into 3D printing, especially resin printing or airbrushing, it's very important to take care of your mask. The mask I use is a 3M health mask with changeable filters. I wear it during resin printing, sanding, and airbrushing, so I need to keep track of both the gas and particulate filters. You should change particulate filters as soon as you notice that breathing becomes harder than usual. There is no exact time when to replace the gas filter. It depends on concentration of contamination, how much you breathe, humidity, ventilation, and more. Smell or taste shouldn't be your only indicator, but if you do notice either, replace the filter immediately. A general guideline is up to 40 hours of use in moderate conditions, but always adjust based on your environment. Keep in mind that even sealed filters have a shelf life, so check the expiration date. To remove the filters, just turn them counterclockwise. Here is what my particulate filter looks like after a few airbrushing sessions. I do use an airbrush boot and air cleaner, but without a mask, all of this would end up in my nose and lungs. After removing the filters, I clean the mask inside and out using isopropyl alcohol IPA. Now it's time to change the filters. I always keep a few spares stored in a vacuum sealed bag just in case. For particulate filters, I use 3M P3R filters. For gas filters, I use 3M A26055, which are designed for organic vapors. If you're working with resin and IPA, this is the type you need. To assemble everything, place the particulate filters with the print side facing inward. Align the markings with a small tap on the mask and turn it clockwise until it clicks. I don't use mask every day, so I store it in a sealed box while not in use. Before using the mask again, do a quick seal check. First, cover the exhalation valve slightly and exhale. If the mask bulges slightly and no air escapes, the positive pressure seal is good. Then cover the cartridge openings and inhale. If no air gets in, your negative pressure seal is also good. That's it. Happy printing and stay safe.